everybody. I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes while people jump in. Let me know when you guys are on before I could talk to you guys. Give it a couple of seconds. Today I've been stuck at home with my son who's been sick. Not fun, but you know, it happens, especially with kids. Let's see. Hey Chris. Well, let's start with what we're going to be doing today. How to clean up your makeup brushes and your little sponges. There's many different ways and there's different products out there to help you clean your brushes. The simplest and most cheapest way I find is to get a bowl of hot water and some baby shampoo. Put a little bit of baby shampoo in the water. Stir it a little bit. Let me push you guys down that way you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Once there's baby shampoo, take your brush. No matter what kind of brush it is. I only like to dip the bristles because the rest of the brush could end up getting messed up. So just dip a little bit on the brushes. Once it's dipped, either use a paper towel or a towel and then just rub it around. You could even use your hands if you want to clean it that way too. When I do it, I try to not bend the bristles too much, and I'm trying to get it all clean. If you need to dip it more than once, go for it. Just make sure that you're getting the brushes clean. There are also these little gadgets that you could dip your brush in and then clean it that way. See how much crap is coming off of this? Or there's this cool little mat that you could put in the sink and then clean it that way too. I like to clean my brushes at least once a week because otherwise bacteria grows up in it. And it's pretty easy just to clean your brush. Once you think it's pretty clean, always keep it down. That way the water doesn't seep up into the wood part or the plastic part, depending on what kind of brush it is. When you dry your brushes, lay them flat or downwards. That way the glue won't come undone. Before you let it dry, make sure you're reshaping it, because otherwise it'll mess up the brush. And you can tell how nasty your brushes get in. I like to do it once a week, so you can tell how nasty your brush could get in 1 week. And the bacteria you don't want on your face. Another way to clean it is to buy the brush bath. There's tons of products out there that, hey Rose, out there to help you clean the brushes. It's pretty easy. Just grab your brush, spray it. Either use your little nifty things or pad, towel, or a paper towel, and just wipe it clean. I like to use the bath every other day, or unless I'm using my brow brush or eyeliner, and that will clean it more better. Sorry, let me back it up a little bit. So that's a couple of different two ways to clean up your brushes. Remember, clean at least once a week, not every other week, due to the fact that bacteria grows and you're putting that bacteria on your face. For your little sponges, do the same thing. Just grab a thing of water with baby shampoo. Baby shampoo is the best because it's gentle. It's got no really chemicals in it, so it's all good for you. Once you have your sponge, dip it in your water, rinse it, squeeze it, and keep doing that until you got it all nice and clean. There is some cheap ways to clean these. Like when I do dishes, I use a dishwasher. You could plop these in the dishwasher and then they'll wash them for you, and then with the heat it'll kill the bacteria too. I do that with my sink sponges too. Once they're clean, if you're going to do it the bath way with the baby shampoo, make sure you're putting it in the microwave for a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds. That way the bacteria will be heated up, and it also dries the bacteria on the sponge. Pretty easy to keep your makeup tools clean. If you have any questions, please let me know. Or if you want to see certain videos, let me know too. This week I'm doing different eyeshadows. And then tomorrow I'm going to do the Flawless 4, which is awesome. Stay tuned tomorrow on videos, and join me on my Facebook to get more tips, ideas, and cool ideas for eyeshadows. Have a wonderful day, and stay pretty, girls.